Welcome to Sabre Red 360, your new access point to a full spectrum of data and content. Sabre Red 360 is easy to use with a redesigned interface that guides you to the right choice faster, as well as API enabled, featuring enhanced responses that return more content and data upfront. Sabre Red 360 also gives you easy access to better content, like branded fares, air extras, and hotel images. Now let's take a look at the basics you need to know to get started. After installing Sabre Red 360, double-click the red icon and log in. Single sign-on allows you to log in to all work areas at once. There are two ways to input information in Sabre Red 360. You can enter Sabre formats into the command bar and press the Enter key or click Send. Keep in mind, the cursor will always be in the command bar. You no longer type commands into the screen below. You also have the option to switch to Command Helper mode to execute searches using the new graphical forms: profiles, air, hotel, car, P&R, or trip proposal. No matter which mode you choose, you'll get the same response, and you can switch between the two modes at any time. There are also two response stylings available in Sabre Red 360. When set to the classic styling, responses will be cryptic and most similar to the classic Sabre blue screen. However, click the down arrow on any response to open the panel, which will reveal even more information about the selected option. To switch Sabre Red 360 to a full graphical styling, enter the shortcut Ctrl-G or navigate to Tools, Options. Click Sabre and select Graphical Styling. When using this styling, responses will look more website-like and include informational tooltips and next step calls to action. Please note, you can still use the command bar when set to the graphical styling. Up at the top, there are 6 different work areas. Click on each work area to toggle between the set, or you can also use the change key to switch. Click the command history icon to access up to 100 recent actions, either entered graphically or through Sabre formats. You can select an action to make modifications, or click Execute to redo the action as is. As a helpful tip, hold down the Control key and click several commands in a row to execute a sequence of commands all at once. In the command bar, you can still use Alt plus the up or down arrows to access previous commands using Sabre Replay. Click on PF keys to execute or edit existing PF keys, or create new ones. Any new PF keys you create will be automatically uploaded to the Sabre cloud and saved. Click on the suitcase icon to open Trip Summary, which shows a quick summary of the P&R in progress. Click on the 3 dots next to the different lines to see available actions for each segment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other quick tip videos for the latest on Sabre Red 360.